Hey everyone, today I've got a quick Google Chrome tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to make free QR codes here with a feature that's built right into Google Chrome. So if I load up Google Chrome, this is my website. I'm going to be showing you how to quickly make a QR code for this. So let's dive right into it. Once you've got Google Chrome loaded up, we're going to go ahead and open up a new tab. So once you've got a brand new tab open, in the very bottom right-hand corner, you'll see it says Customize Chrome right here. Go ahead and left click on that. It'll give you some different options here. And there's a new option here that says Toolbar. It says new there. We can go ahead and left click on it. If you're not seeing that, maybe make sure that Google Chrome is updated. Go ahead and left click on that. And this is going to give us a whole bunch of new options. And there's an option here that says create QR code, a little toggle switch off to the right. So I'm going to go ahead and left click on that. And it did create a new QR code icon here at the top. So right now that's grayed out, but if I switch back over to my website here, it's a little lighter, kind of a whiter color. And if I left click on that, it allows me to create a QR code. So it created a QR code for my website. We can copy it here, or we can download it. So if I hit download, it'll download it to my downloads folder. So you can search for that in your downloads folder. And if I open this, it created a PNG of that QR code for me to share or print or do whatever I like with it. And then I can scan the QR code with my phone and it'll take me right to my website. And really, it's that simple to create QR codes here in Google Chrome for your websites.